Hello everyone. Yesterday I made a video about this memeai token at the price of 0.057, near about this level. I have given you these memeai tokens to purchase this token. As I explained everything about these tokens, that what is all it about. It is a meme category coin plus AI category coin. It has its own meme AI generators. It has its own NFT marketplace, on which you can buy and sell NFTs. So it has very much bigger potential. See this, the volumes are increasing so much from this level. The volumes are so much increasing. You should go and check out what's happening right now. Yesterday it formed the bottom. Many 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 people have bought the dip, and now it's going in an uptrend. As if you can see that it was not pumping, it was finding the dip. It found the dip, and now it's moving up. So you should better try to accumulate this token, not fully, not 100%, but partially try to accumulate this token, because it will give you very much good returns. See this in weekly time graph, weekly chart. It break out the resistance. Since it break out the resistance, the volumes were very much low and low. Now it's trying to come out from this dip, and the volumes are increased so much. Just see this. So you can expect at least 2x from here. Still it's not late, brother. It's not late. You should buy this token, and within short term it will 2x from here, and 10x 100x is coming this month, before the Bitcoin halving or just right after the Bitcoin halving. As I said yesterday, that many whales are engaged in other projects. Many new coins like that, they are engaged in other projects, and now they are start moving towards this project. Their eyes are on this project. Binance is constantly keeping an eye on this price. Binance is watching this price of memeai token. If you go to Binance app, you can check the price of these memeai tokens. So what does it indicates? It indicates that it it is going to be launched on bigger exchanges very soon. The marketing will be very faster, so the price will go up surely. It is very much good project. That's it. If you like my video, press the like button and press the subscribe button, so that you don't miss the updates which I give. And I have created a personal Telegram VIP group. If you want to join that group, first 10 members will be $20 fees for permanent joining. And if you have ever lost money on some coins, you can do loss recovery from joining my group. I'll give you so much hidden gems that within short terms you can 2x 3x 4x your money. If you want to join my group, then I will give my Telegram group link in the descriptions. From that you can join the group. Till then, see you next video.